Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, girl, hello guys, everyone. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Knowledge Channel. Today we will be unboxing the ASUS ZenBook UX534. And here is, if you are in the market for a 4K laptop that is almost affordable, which is kind of affordable, and you're willing to pay £1,500 for it, this is the laptop for you. So let's open it and see, is it worth the hype or is it not? ZenBook ASUS. Let's see what's in here. Let me just remove my ASUS 15G, which I've done a video on, which is up here. Click on it if you want to see the review of this very good laptop. But for now, we're just gonna close it and we're gonna review the other one. This is what it's all about. This is what the 2020 year brings to us. It doesn't bring anything but 4K. If you are in for RAMs, nothing has changed. Memory, graphics cards, processors, a little bit better, but the screen has changed. This is beautiful. Look at this presentation. You've got the box here. You've got a little flap. Oh, it comes with a bag. It comes with a bag. Look, there is a bag here for your laptop, a sleeve, a case. This is beautiful, ASUS. Well done, ASUS. Well done. I am very proud of ASUS. I've just left it on the side there. Here is where. Oh, baby, this is beautiful. This is actually quite light. If I had to guess what is the weight of that, it's much less than 2 kilos. I would say 1.8, 1.7. Very light, very thin. Again, well done, ASUS. I'm actually starting to like ASUS. You know, something funny happened. I don't know if I should mention that or not. But anyway, I ordered this from the ASUS website. And then it got delayed by a day or two. So I kept calling Lenovo for some reason. I was telling them, what is my laptop? And they say, can you give us the order number? So I give them an order number and they say, that's not the order number. I said, what do you mean it's not the order number? I said, I bought it from your website. They say, are you sure? I said, yeah. They said, when did you buy it? Then I give them my name and I give them everything. And turns out, it's not even Lenovo. Finally, I realized it and I was very apologetic to the guy on the phone and I said, please pardon me. Anyway, enough of that story. Here we are. The ScreenPad. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. Baby. That is high, polished, very beautiful, elegant laptop. It looks like we are in business here. This is beautiful. It doesn't look cheap. It just looks premium. This is premium written all over it. This is a premium notebook, guys, and I think it's worth the money. It's worth the money so far. Here you go. So this happens on YouTube sometimes for those who are amateurs. I guess it says please unsubscribe now. Anyway, we keep that here because I couldn't. Alright, this looks bad. This is very unprofessional. The charger is very slim, and very lightweight. I would say that's about 200 grams. Well done, ASUS, for the third time. You've got it right. Let's continue this unboxing. There are some really useful ports in this laptop, and I think they've done a really good job with the selection of ports, I have to say. Here is our charging port in the beginning here. This is where you plug in your charger, and then we have an HDMI out, and then there is a USB 3.1, there is a USB-C Type-C 3.2, and then there is a card reader. Thank you, ASUS. You got it all right this time. And then we have another USB 3.1, and then there is the headphone jack microphone. Now, something very thoughtful of ASUS is they included this beautiful little device. There is a USB to LAN, so you can connect your LAN line or internet line into here using the USB. Obviously, you're going to be taking one of the USBs out, but at least you have a LAN for all those gamers out there that need the fast internet speed. Let's see, is this screen good or not? You can tell that it has 0 bezels. Beautiful, beautiful. And here it is indicating that it's charging. Let's turn it on and feel the love. Alright guys, if you want to see this laptop, how it turns out, please continue in the next episode right here when it comes up. Obviously, it's going to come up in a week or maybe less. We're going to see if this laptop is any good. Follow me. This is my channel here, Mario's channel. You saw that sign that fell. Subscribe to my channel. Here is the subscription button at the bottom here. Here is my face. Click on it. Also, if you like this channel, I would like to see more episodes. Here is a selection of episodes you can choose from, and you can view any of these reviews that I've made previously. I'll see you in the next episode, and we're going to look closely to this laptop, up close and personal. Follow me. See you in the next episode. Peace.